Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a wear test with a new product. That was really loud, sorry. With this new product, I went to Ulta and spent quite a bit of money. Yeah, got a few things for myself though. We are going to try out, well, we're going to try that out too, but let's see, where's that? The new Benefit Boing concealer. Everybody keeps saying that it's like comparable to Tarte Shape Tape, which is my holy grail. Like, it's my holy grail. I love it. So we're gonna see if this can go ahead and, you know, cover up all this. It's over here. Yep, cover up all that. Cover up all that in my chin. And we're going to do a wear test. Currently right now it's 1:30 p.m. I'm starting this video kind of late in the day. But, you know, let's go ahead and get started and see what the tea is with that. Okay. Okay guys, I already did my skincare today and I went ahead and drew my eyebrows on off camera. My hair is a mess right now. All I did was blow dry it and I'm going to be doing it later today. So hopefully I can adjust the light and see if I can get it better. I'm still learning how to use this camera. So let's do that. Alright you guys, I kind of adjusted the lighting a little bit and then I also focused you guys in a little bit so that you're closer. First things first, I did get this from Tarte. I did get this from Ulta. Let's see, it retails for $22. I think that's around the same price as the Shape Tape is, if you're interested, but I'm really excited to try it. I am going to go ahead and prime my face with the Cover FX Gripping Primer. I'm almost out of this one, but I actually have a backup that I bought just about a couple weeks ago during that Sephora sale. It's my favorite primer right now. So I'm going to go ahead and smear it all over. By the way, thanks for all the love and support with my first video. I know it's kind of awkward and I'm just trying to get used to everything. Being in front of a camera is very different, so it's something to get used to. I do have a new microphone coming in. I just ordered the wrong one and I tried it out today and it turns out it's not compatible with my camera. So go me. I know how to read, right? And then I also ordered a ring light, so my lighting will be better. Right now I'm just sitting in front of a big window, which you probably can't tell because it's so bright, but yeah. This is the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer base, and this just fills your pores in. I really like it a lot. If you have giant pores like me, this stuff's amazing for it, and I just press it into my skin. This is something else that I cannot live without. And then now we can go ahead and go with my foundation. My favorite one right now is the Beauty Blender one. It's the Bounce foundation. I don't think they have any other foundations right now. So that's what it looks like. And it's in the shade 1.40 Neutral. It's very full. That just squirted all over me. That's what he said. So it's very full coverage. I'd say it's not like the fullest coverage I've ever used, but it's pretty full coverage. So now I'm just gonna apply this real quick. Okay guys, sorry for the frame change. Unfortunately, one of my videos that was me applying the concealer got corrupted during the download, so I had to delete it, and this is me recording it again the day after. Pretty much I'm applying the concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, in the center of my forehead, on my upper lip, and on my chin. Little Hitler stash and goatee. I will say that this concealer is very dry, and what I mean by that is it dries down really quickly, so you need to blend it out fast, and I recommend a damp beauty sponge. I don't think this would work well with just a regular brush. Also, if you do have drier skin, make sure you moisturize really well before going in with this concealer. Other than that, it blends out really nicely, pretty seamlessly actually, and it looks beautiful. It covered all my acne as well. I have really wrinkly under eyes normally, and this didn't exaggerate those wrinkles. The only thing I really disliked about this was the shade range. There's only 12 shades, and I feel like if somebody that was like fairer than me wanted to highlight their face, they would have a hard time. And this is the lightest shade in the line, and it had a bit of a yellow undertone to it. Also, the deepest shade is not very deep. I would say if you're interested in this and you're very light or you're very deep, you should probably go in the store and check it out and swatch it before you buy it. Now you just see me smacking my face. Overall, though, it blended out very easily. I also feel like you barely have to set it with powder. You wouldn't have to if you don't want to, but I normally set with powder anyways. I'm also using it to pretty much blend out my cream contour a little bit more, just so the colors blend together seamlessly. Okay, now everything's blended out. Now I'm going to go in with some translucent setting powder from Mercier. Okay, I lied, it's not all blended out, I'm going down my neck. Now I'm setting. Taking a brush from Morphe and Jeffree Star. This is my favorite powder brush for underneath my eyes. I'm pretty much going to set the entire face, and then I'm going to go back in with my beauty sponge and dip it into the powder and pack it under my eyes. That's going to help for when I do my eyeshadow, because if there's any fallout, you can just brush it away easily and it won't ruin your foundation or your concealer that you laid down. This is pretty much my routine for every time I do my makeup. Except for when I'm going to work, because I go very light for going to work. And that's it, guys. We're gonna see how this looks after I dust away the bake, but quickly off camera, well, not quickly, I'm gonna do my eye makeup and the rest of my face, and I will be right back with you guys. Alright guys, I'm back for a check-in. It is currently 4:30 and I started at what, 1:30, so it's been 3 hours, and as you can tell, the concealer looks amazing. It even covered up Big Bertha. So I'm pretty happy with it so far. I'll continue to wear it throughout the day. I've been filming a different tutorial. That's why I have some makeup on and I have my hair done, but I'm not finished yet. Stay tuned though. That will be my next video. And I'll check in later with you guys. Hi guys, last check-in of the day with this new concealer by Benefit. It's the Cakeless Concealor. Love it. It covered up Big Bertha. You can see really there's no creasing or anything. Normally I have a lot more creasing under my eyes because my eyes are so wrinkly and baggy underneath. They've always been like that. So it stayed matte all day too, and it's literally like paint spackle. Like it covered everything and it went into my pores. It looks literally flawless. So I really like it. I think it's a thumbs up from me. It's not a bad price. It's $22. You know, it's not luxury, but you know, it's up there. There's other concealers you can get from the drugstore, but overall, if you're interested in this one, I'd say go for it. It's really nice. And you know, if you have drier skin, maybe try it out in the store before you purchase it. Or if you do just want to purchase it, just make sure you moisturize really well. Other than that, I have no other thoughts for you guys. It's been on for about 8 hours now and no touch-ups, no nothing.